Hey guys, what's up? It's the Master Key, and I'm here with electricdollarbills.com with another video for you guys. So I wanted to make a really quick video, just talking about getting into real estate. So I was talking to someone. I get this question all the time, or not even. It's not even a question. It's just like a statement. I get people all of the time that, when I talk with them and I tell them that I'm in real estate and they learn what I do and they learn that I'm in that industry. I get so many people who say things like, oh, I thought about doing that, or oh, I want to do that, or that's cool. But after they say whatever they say, they make their statement. They always say, but real estate is hard. And they say, isn't real estate hard? So I wanted to make a really quick video and talk about that and answer that question for a lot of people about, is real estate hard? So the thing about it is, what I've learned over the years in business and in life in general is, anything that you don't know is hard. So just think about confidence, right? We talk a lot about, there's confident people in the world. Like, oh, that guy's confident, or that girl's really confident. But if you really think about it, no one's confident. People are confident in the things that they know or the things that they're good at. You can have one person that's really confident at this thing, but don't know anything about this thing. And even though they appear to be very confident in this thing here, when they go and try to do this other thing that they know nothing about, they can be very insecure, or they can feel very uncomfortable about it. So I don't really think there's just confident people. I think there's people that's confident in certain things. And that's no different for real estate or any other thing in the world that you are uneducated about. So what I've learned over the years is, anything that you don't know about or anything that you don't know how to do, you're going to feel a little uneasy with. And our mind is going to tell us, that's very hard. And the thing about it is, you have to decide, you have to make a decision. Is this something that I want? Is this something that I want to be good at? And once you make that decision, you can go ahead and take practical action steps to educate yourself, and then to go out there and take action and gain that experience. And after you do that over and over again, over the years, you'll begin to be very confident at that thing as well. So to answer the question, is real estate hard? It could be, or it could not be. I think it's very simple. I think it's like any other thing in life. There are steps, and then if you take those steps and you learn, and something's going to happen. So if you go ahead and take the steps to get in real estate and learn the things that you need to learn, once you learn it once, like riding a bike, you always have it. So I don't think real estate is hard. I do think it's a challenge. I believe that it is a challenge. And one thing I do know is, the best things in life are challenging. But guess what? Once you go through that challenge and you get to the other side, you'll have that information and you'll have that forever. And that's a great thing. And then you'll continue to compound that. And then you'll look up 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, 20 years later, and you will become an expert in that field. So real estate's no different. And if you're thinking about getting into real estate, and you're thinking about, this is something that I really want to do, I definitely think that you should. And I have a free guide. I have it in the description below, and it tells you some simple steps on how to get into real estate, okay? And if you guys need more training and things of that nature, just reach out to me. You can find me on Instagram at electricdollarbills.com. I'm sorry, no, it's not .com. That's the website. You can go to the website, electricdollarbills.com. You can find me on Instagram at electricdollarbills, or Facebook at electricdollarbills. And, send me an inbox. You can send me an email, electricdollarbills@gmail.com. I want to hear your questions. I want to know your concerns. I want to know what you guys need help with, and I'll be more than happy to help you. And any other questions that you have, or any topics that you guys want me to talk about, go ahead and drop that in the comments below, because that's what I'm here for. I'm here to show you guys how to take actionable steps to go out there and get into real estate and do the thing that you want to do, because real estate is, and I believe always will be, the #1 industry to make millionaires, because everybody's in it. You're in it whether you like it or not. Everybody has a place to stay. Everybody has a home that they have to live in. Just by default, you're in real estate. So real estate can be your vehicle to get you wherever you want to go in the world. You know, regardless of what you want to do, there may be other things in your life that you want to do and goals, and you need your time back, and you need your freedom. Well, real estate can be that thing for you to get you there. So make sure you guys do that. And if you like this video, please hit that like button. And if you haven't already, go right ahead and subscribe to the channel, because this channel is a great place to be, whether you want to learn about real estate, if you want to talk about credit, if you want to talk about building wealth through entrepreneurship. This is the place that you're going to want to be, and it's just going to be great things that's going to continue to come, and you guys don't want to miss it. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you for staying to the end. I really appreciate you guys. I love you guys. I appreciate all the support, and I appreciate all the love from you guys. So until next time, I'll see you guys later. And again, welcome to the Money Club.